proud. I'm on a big stage like Doublestar. Schwenksing has given me many opportunities and platforms. I started as a chemical laboratory technician. Now I'm mainly responsible for the inspection of tire-related raw materials, semi-finished products, and finished products. The most important thing is that after the tires are mass-produced, these routine inspections. This is what we are mainly responsible for. There was a foreign customer brought a batch of raw materials, the point value inspection. Here failed, they came over and came to have a technical exchange with us. After the operation, the foreign customer us a thumbs up. So the customer at that time had a high recognition of us. The most important thing in testing is to be rigorous, scientific, and standardized. And fair, when facing all customers, we must ensure the authenticity of the data and accuracy of data. We established a laboratory that meets ISO 170-5, which is equivalent to a third-party testing qualification. I was named the Chief Technician of Qingdao in 2020. You need to constantly improve your skills. We need to continuously develop new testing projects to better serve enterprises and industries. We have been using this method to bring many high-skilled talents. Continue to draft relevant national and industrial standards, contributing to the industry and the country. We sometimes launch new testing, which can our products and technological improvement with better data support. After seeing the results, we are really